Hello, welcome to the another video. Today we're going to look at a built-in array method sort. Let's start with a simple example. We have declared a list of numbers. Now we're going to sort the array. The sort method mutates the array in place. It doesn't return a new array like the other array methods, for example map, filter and reduce. Now next thing we're going to do is to log the value of the sorted array. Default sorting order is in ascending order, so we should get 10, 20, 40. So we are getting the array in sorted order. It is sorted in ascending order. Now if you are going to introduce a new element 1000, clear the console, let's run the code again. We are getting incorrect result. 1000 should come after 40, not after 10. This is happening because the sort function or sort method first converts this number into a string, then compares the UTF-16 unit value and then does the sorting for us. So to get around this, we have to provide a compare function. The sort method takes a compare function and the signature is the first element and the second element. Then we are going to return A minus B. So this is for ascending order. So if we run the code, now we are getting the correct result. We can be more elaborative here. So let's write this: if A is greater than B, then we are going to return 1. If A is less than B, then we are going to return -1, or we are going to return 0. Let's run the code again. So we are getting the correct result here. That this is how the compare function works. So we are checking that if A is greater than B, then we are returning 1, then -1 if it is less than, then returning 0 in case A equal to B. If we want to sort in a descending order, we just have to return -1 here and +1. Then now we see that we are getting the array in descending order. Or you can do like B is greater than A. I mean, just change this condition and just keep this return value as it was. Now let's look at example with strings. Let's put some names of the fruits: apple, blueberries, banana, then orange. First let's remove this compare function. Now let's see what happens. The array should be sorted in ascending order, but we are getting interesting results here. So we have to provide a compare function. Let's paste it and change it to be ascending order. Again clear the console, then run it. Now we are again getting some interesting result. Blueberries comes first, not apple. We have provided elements with mixed casing. That means apple is in lowercase, blueberries B in uppercase. So we need to provide a string with consistent casing. That means either uppercase or in lowercase. Hence we are going to do this. Constant string A dot to uppercase Now change here. Now we should get apple first. We are getting as we expect. Apple, banana, then blueberries, then orange. Now we are going to see an example with non-ASCII characters, that means characters other than English. So I am going to paste. So this is friend's word. For the non-ASCII characters, this compare function will not work. We have to use another method called local compare. Now if we clear the console, now run this code. So we have done a mistake. It should be local compare. Now run the code. Now we are getting the array in sorted order. If we want the sort to be in descending order, then we just change here to B and local compare to A. Now run this code. We are getting the array in descending sorted order. Let's clear the console. Most of the times in real life application, we might need to sort the array of objects. So now we are going to see an example of that. Let's remove this. Suppose we have a orders list. So each of the list item will be an object which might have order ID. Then amount, I am going to copy this, paste this twice to, let's say it's 400, then ID 3, then 200. Now we need to remove this. Now the question is, how do we sort this array by amount? Also we have array of objects here. So to do this A will be object and B will also be an object. So constant amount A will be A dot amount and constant amount B dot amount. Now we are going to write our usual comparison blocks. If first we are going to sort in ascending order, so amount A greater than amount B, then return 1 if amount A is less than amount B, then return -1, else if amount A equal to amount B, then return 0. We see that our array is sorted in ascending order, amount 100, then amount 200, then amount 400. So for descending order, we can just change this to B and then A and make the same changes here. And we could have also keep this conditional same and just change the value here. I mean return -1 and return 1 here. That would also work. So clear the console, then run the code. Now we see that our array is sorted in descending order. So this is how the sort method works in a nutshell. I hope you have found this video useful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get this type of video in future. I'll see you in the next time. Bye.